Do you want to give your laptop or mini PC a real performance upgrade? Then make sure to stick around until the end, because this memory kit could be the missing puzzle piece for your system. Today, we're taking a look at a compact powerhouse that's not only fast, but also incredibly easy to use. If you work a lot with graphics-intensive software, multitask on a regular basis, or simply want to get the most out of your laptop, this memory kit is definitely worth a closer look. With a total of 64 gigabytes, it offers plenty of headroom and brings the latest DDR5 technology to the table for higher speed, better efficiency, and improved future readiness. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to install it. Thanks to plug-and-play support, many systems automatically detect the modules and set them to their maximum speed. No manual BIOS tweaking required. If your laptop or mini PC supports Intel XMP, you can fine-tune performance even further. In real-world use, the difference is noticeable. Applications launch faster, video editing feels smoother, and games benefit from the additional system memory. This is especially obvious if you're upgrading from 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM. Energy efficiency is another strong point. Running at just 1.1 volts, this Kingston memory stays cool and helps preserve battery life. Perfect for users who work on the go. The compact SODIMM design fits perfectly into modern laptops and small systems where space and power consumption matter. Of course, actual performance also depends on the laptop itself. Not every system can immediately take full advantage of the 5,600 megatransfers per second speed. Your motherboard and BIOS play a key role here. But even if the memory doesn't run at its maximum rated speed, the advantages of DDR5 technology are still clearly noticeable compared to older modules. So, if you're looking to future-proof your laptop and want enough RAM for the years ahead, this memory kit is a strong choice. Feel free to check out the product links in the video description for current pricing and availability. So, what speaks for and what against this memory kit? Pros: massive 64 gigabytes capacity for multitasking and professional applications. High performance with speeds up to 5,600 megatransfers per second. Plug and play, no hassle with BIOS settings. Compatible with Intel XMP for even better performance. Energy efficient and runs cool. Cons: not every laptop supports full speed out of the box. More expensive than smaller memory kits. A BIOS update may be required to achieve optimal performance. If you're looking for a true performance upgrade for your laptop or mini PC, this memory kit is absolutely worth considering. The combination of modern DDR5 technology, high capacity, and easy installation makes it an attractive option, especially for power users, creatives, and anyone who doesn't want to compromise. As always, you'll find the latest deals in the video description. Check out the prices and let us know in the comments if you already have experience with DDR5 RAM. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tech reviews.